everyone, Antoinette here, and welcome to the first ever Antonette's Vignettes. How did this come to be? Well, I love decorating. That's why I started my YouTube channel. And I do love to decorate in themes, and vignettes are small, they're quick, they're easy, and they're so pretty. They're such a lovely way to dress up any area of your home. And so the fact that my name also rhymes with the word vignette just seemed perfect. So it was many months in the making. I have been thinking about doing this for a very long time. And I knew that I would want a different co-host every month. And so I reached out to Antoinette at Simple Yet Chic, asking if she would be my first ever co-host. And wasn't I absolutely thrilled when she said yes. Antoinette, thank you again. I think I've thanked her 100 times now, but I'm really excited and so happy. This will be an open collaboration for all YouTube creators to participate monthly. There will be a different theme every month. It will be the first Tuesday of every month at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. When I asked Antoinette what theme she wanted, I gave her a few ideas and she agreed or preferred the lemon theme. So here we are, Life Gave Me Lemons. That's our very first Antonette's Vignettes theme. And I am going to put together this vignette for you in a lemon theme. So I will show you quickly the items I'm going to use, and then I will put it together for you. So the very first piece is this platter that I purchased last year at my local grocery store here in Canada called Loblaws, in this beautiful lemon theme, this deep sort of teal blue color. And in that collection were these dishes. I believe this is the smaller size, so I guess the salad dish. And it matches. It's got this stone colored back with the yellow lemons and that teal blue picked up in the leaves and the stems here. So I really like this piece here. Another piece going on our vignette will be this little lemon shaped dish. And where did also at Loblaws last year. So I purchased this, I guess, when I purchased these. I will be using this tea towel. Now this tea towel, I just recently realized is in a lemon theme. I did not know that. I have it upside down. This here down the middle is a lemon tree, and then along the border are lemons. And I'll give you a better up closer look of this in a moment. So I'll be using that on my tray. I have this lemon shaped tea light holder, part of a trio that I got from Party Light. The other two pieces are an orange and a watermelon slice. So there's that. And then in this box, these two cute little ceramic lemon shaped salt and pepper shakers, adorable. Every summer I take out this acrylic pitcher and I serve lemonade in it, and I thought it would be very cute and appropriate to add that to my little vignette here. And then just a couple of plate holders and then a little tea light. So let me show you how I put this all together for you. I'm going to place it on my kitchen table once it's done, and that's going to be it. You'll see how quick and easy it is to do a vignette and fun. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope that you will watch the playlist, which I will have linked in my description box, to see everyone's vignette in their Life Gave Me Lemons theme. Thank you everyone who's participated, and thank you for watching. So as promised, here's a closer look at the tea towel. There's the lemon tree, and then here up close all along this border, you can see that there are lemons. I can't believe I did not realize I had this all along.